Experiment 2 consists of the recrystallization of cream of tartar, and so provided in your kits is a sachet of cream of tartar powder. We're going to empty the contents of the sachet into your 250 milliliter beaker and take careful note of the appearance of the powder. We're now going to add approximately 100 milliliters of boiling water from the kettle into the 250 milliliter beaker with the cream of tartar. You can see that the cream of tartar does not fully dissolve. However, we'll gently stir with a glass rod to aid dissolution. As we'd like to harvest only crystals of cream of tartar, we want to get rid of any undissolved powder, and so we're going to perform a hot filtration using the gravity filtration setup. Now that the crystals have formed, they can be collected by suction filtration and air dried to record the percentage recovery.